If you haven't seen any live patients in your colleges until now, this video is for you. अगर आप भी आपके सिटी में ऑब्जर्वर बोल के जाना चाहते थे किसी डॉक्टर के पास पर आपको अलाउ नहीं किया गया, तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है. इफ यू आर ए जनरल प्रैक्टिशनर और ए स्टूडेंट और एन इंटर्न, या फिर आपका शादी हो गया है और 4-5 साल हो गए पर आप आपके होम्योपैथी ड्रीम को फुलफिल करना चाहते हैं, तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है. Practicing homeopathy is not just prescribing a classical homeopathy remedy, because in 20% cases you just get the cases at the symptom level where you need to put on your therapeutic knowledge and prescribe a remedy to make the patient better instantaneously. Here you can use your mother tincture, your biochemics and your batch flower remedies. The other 10% is your case taking, your body language, your communication skills, your empathy, your marketing and all other aspects. Among this also comes some percentage of patients who will never get satisfied from you, so leave them. And remaining 60% of cases are, my dear friends, your classical homeopathy practice, where you prescribed either on a pathological prescription, either using your mind method or based on generalities or organ specific or anti-miasmatic. So if you want to learn all these types of prescription, also get better in your potency, in your miasm, in your follow-ups, in your acute, in your chronic. If you want to prescribe just by observation, किसी के कान में से बाल आ रहे तो कौन सा दवाई देना है, अगर उसके आँख के ऊपर इधर ब्लू दिख रहा है तो कौन सा दवाई देना है, ये सब चीजें अगर आपको सीखना है तो दिस एडवांस कोर्स इज द बिगेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी ऑफ योर लाइफ यू विल गेट. In 60 days, I guarantee you will become a confident classical homeopath instantaneously. Also, whoever is joining, in these 2 days, I am going to give him a 25,005 ebooks where how to do digital marketing, गूगल मार्केटिंग करना है, व्हाट्सएप करना है, फेसबुक करना है, इंस्टाग्राम करना है, डिजिटल क्लिनिक, ऑनलाइन क्लिनिक कैसे चालू करना है, ये सभी चीजें उसी कोर्स में ई बुक में I am going to give you. So this is a greatest opportunity for you people. Join the advanced course. Also, more than 15 speakers are going to teach you classical homeopathy in this course. These are the best minds in homeopathy on today's date, treating more than 100 patients per day in their OPD. And see your journey from their failures. हमारे failure से आप सीखोगे. To get all the details of the course, what is the timetable, what are the course details, what is the link to register, comment advance in the comment box and I'll send you all the details in your DM. Thank you.